나는 가족을 사랑해. What does this sentence mean? If you would notice, the word in red letter is gajok. Because today, on One Korean Word a Day, we're going to study about the word gajok. Let's start. Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 134. Gajok. Gajok. This is pronounced as a two-syllable word. The first syllable is ga, second syllable is jok. Pronounce it with me. Gajok. Gajok. The word gajok is simply the Korean noun for family. Again, this is the Korean noun for family. How do we spell gajok in Hangul? Let's start with the first syllable. To be able to write the syllable ga in Hangul, we need to draw first a giyok character followed by an a character. For the second syllable jok, we need to draw first a jiyot character followed by an o character followed by a giyok character. And then we just have to combine the Hangul for each of these syllables to form the Hangul of the word gajok. And that is how you write or spell gajok in Hangul. Now that we have an idea about the meaning of the word gajok, let's try to look into this example sentence. The sentence says, I love my family. The Korean translation of this sentence is, 나는 가족을 사랑해. Again, 나는 가족을 사랑해. The first part of the sentence is 나는, and this is the subject. Na means I, and nun is just a subject particle added to na. The second part of the sentence is 가족을. 가족, our word for today, means family, and 을 is just an object particle added to 가족. The last part of the sentence is 사랑해. This is a verb which means to love. So these three combined would result to a sentence that means I love my family. So if we will go back to the example sentence at the start of the video, we already know by now that the meaning of the sentence 나는 가족을 사랑해 is simply I love my family. And with that, you've just learned gajok. Now let's proceed with the previous 10 words recap. As of now, the previous 10 words are words number 124 to 133. But don't forget our word for today, word number 134, gajok. And this is the Korean noun for family. Word number 133 is appa, and this is the Korean noun for dad. Word number 132 is 엄마, and this is the Korean noun for mom. Word number 131 is 놀다, and this is a root verb which means to play. Word number 130 is apayo. This is a semi-formal way of saying it hurts. Word number 129 is jajayo, and this is a standard or casual way of saying sleep well or good night. Word number 128 is uri. This is a pronoun which means we or our. Word number 127 is uyu, and this is the Korean noun for milk. Word number 126 is sada, and this is a root verb which means to buy. Word number 125 is yoja, and this is the Korean noun for woman. And the last for our review is word number 127, namja, and this is the Korean noun for man. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time, only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.